Welcome to the channel. Today I'm reviewing the best sewing machine for advanced sewers in 2025, handpicked through research and testing to meet different needs. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options, top performance, or unique features, I've categorized them to match various preferences. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. Brother XM2701 Sewing Machine. Sew with confidence using the Brother XM2701, the perfect machine for both beginners and seasoned stitchers. With 27 built-in stitches, including zigzag, stretch, decorative, and an auto-size buttonhole, you can tackle a wide variety of projects with ease. The automatic needle threader and jam-resistant drop-in bobbin make setup quick and frustration-free. Lightweight yet durable, this sewing machine includes 6 sewing feet, twin needle bobbins, an instructional DVD, and more to get you started right away. The versatile free arm is ideal for cuffs, sleeves, and other everyday tasks. Built with a sturdy metal frame, the XM2701 delivers smooth, reliable stitching. And with Brothers Legendary at your side support, you get free technical help for the life of your machine. Create, mend, and design with a machine that makes sewing easy and enjoyable. Number 2. Brother CS7000X Sewing Machine. Elevate your sewing game with the Brother CS7000X, an advanced machine built for precision, power, and versatility. With 70 built-in stitches including heirloom, decorative, quilting, and 7 auto-size buttonholes, this machine handles everything from simple mending to creative quilting. The enhanced automatic needle threader and jam-resistant drop-in bobbin makes setup effortless, while the durable metal frame and fixed needle bar ensure steady, smooth stitching. Designed for serious projects, the CS7000X features a large needle-to-arm workspace, perfect for quilts and bulky fabrics. Included are 10 presser feet, a wide table, quilt guide, and a hard case for protection. Whether you're a seasoned quilter or a dedicated DIYer, the CS7000X offers reliable performance and Brothers trusted, at your side, support for the life of your machine. Start creating with confidence today. Number 3. Brother CS7000X Sewing and Quilting Machine. The Brother CS7000X is a versatile sewing and quilting machine designed for both beginners and experienced sewists. It features 70 built-in stitches, including utility, decorative, heirloom, and quilting stitches, plus 7 one-step auto-size buttonholes for professional results. The improved automatic needle threader makes threading quick and effortless, while the jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin ensures smooth sewing without interruptions. Built with a durable metal frame and fixed needle bar, this machine delivers precise, even stitches on every project. Its large needle-to-arm workspace provides ample room for quilting and larger projects. Included accessories like a wide table, 10 sewing feet, quilt guide, and a protective hard case make it a complete package. Perfect for home use, the Brother CS7000X combines ease, durability, and functionality in one powerful machine. Number 4. Avely Handheld Sewing Machine. Sew anytime, anywhere with the Avely Handheld Sewing Machine, your portable powerhouse for quick fixes and creative projects. Choose between USB power or 4AA batteries for ultimate flexibility, and switch between high-speed, up to 375 stitches/min, or low-speed precision to suit every task. From denim and silk to curtains and wool, this compact machine tackles fabrics up to 1.8 millimeters thick with ease. The ergonomic, curved design enables one-handed use, while the upgraded motor ensures powerful, quiet performance, even on thick materials. Perfect for home use, travel, or emergency repairs, this mini sewing marvel fits right in your bag or drawer. Comes complete with essential accessories, bobbins, needle, threader, scissors, tape measure, pins, tweezers, and more, plus a full-color manual and test fabric to get you started immediately. Number 5. Singer Tradition 2277 Sewing Machine. The Singer Tradition 2277 is your all-in-one sewing companion, featuring 23 built-in stitches, including essential, decorative, and stretch for tackling a wide range of projects, from hemming clothes to crafting home decor. Its automatic needle threader makes setup effortless, saving time and eliminating frustration, perfect for both beginners and experienced sewists. Customize your sewing with adjustable stitch length and width, ensuring cleaner seams and preventing fabric bunching across different materials. The one-step buttonhole function simplifies button making, delivering consistent, professional-looking results with just one touch. Equipped with 3 snap-on presser feet, all-purpose, buttonhole, and button sewing, you'll have the tools to expand your creative potential and complete a variety of sewing techniques with ease. With user-friendly features and durable construction, the Singer 2277 makes sewing simple, smooth, and enjoyable. Whether you're mending, creating, or customizing, this machine is ready to handle it all with precision and style.
I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.